Welcome! In this short video, we'll walk through how to get Bloks installed on Mac and set up in just a few minutes. To get started, head to the Bloks website or landing page and select the option to download. You'll be prompted to choose the Mac version that matches your computer, either Apple Silicon, the M series of processors, or legacy Intel devices. Download the appropriate installer to your computer. The files usually default to your Downloads folder. Open that installer file. To install, drag the Bloks icon into your Applications folder. Next, open the Applications folder, locate Bloks, and launch it. You may be asked to confirm that you downloaded the app. Just approve the prompt to continue. From here, you'll sign in using either Google or Microsoft. In this example, we'll use Google. Select your account and you'll see a few permissions requested. Bloks asks for access to your calendar and contacts so it can generate pre-meeting briefs and keep everything organized through Ask Bloks. Once those permissions are granted, you'll be prompted to reopen the app. You'll now be asked to choose your default language as well as your preferred color theme, light mode, dark mode, or matching your system settings. Next, Bloks will request access to your microphone and system audio. These permissions allow it to capture conversations and generate summaries. Start by enabling microphone access. Then approve system audio recording, which will open your Mac's system settings. You may need to confirm using your password or fingerprint to allow both settings. After that, you will be prompted to relaunch Bloks. And just like that, you're up and running. Bloks is now connected to your calendar and contacts, ready to prepare you for meetings and capture conversations. And if you'd like to enhance those pre-meeting briefs and extend Ask Bloks even further, you can also connect your email. To do that, head to Settings, then select Accounts. Here you'll see the option to grant read access to email. This allows Bloks to include relevant email history alongside past meetings and conversations, making your briefs even richer. Once accepted, you'll see confirmation in Settings that Bloks now has access to your calendar, contacts, and email. These sources work together to create powerful, detailed pre-meeting briefs, so you always walk into conversations fully prepared. And that's it. You're ready to go with Bloks on Mac.